Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use soundboard on Discord mobile. So let's get into the video. So open up your browser, so for example Chrome on your mobile, and then hit on the Discord website here. So go to the Discord website on your browser, and then what you're going to do, you're going to go to the desktop version of this on your browser. So click on the three options and then go to the desktop site version, because we need this the desktop version in order to access some settings. So once you're done with that, so log into your account. So just log into your account, and once you've logged into your account, so if you want to use this soundboard, so what you're going to do is you're going to simply select up a server. So select a server, and then once you have selected a server, simply what you're going to do, so just click on the server settings here. So click on the server and then go to server settings. When you click on the server settings here, you'll have the option called soundboard here. So to use the soundboard, simply click on it, and then what you're going to do simply now is just upload a sound for your soundboard. So from here you can just hit on browse and then select a file from your a sound from your file. Once you're done with that, so what you're going to do is so once you've selected the sound, plug in a sound name and everything and hit on upload, and this sound will be added to your soundboard. And then next time when you get to your, for example, if you open up the channel, the server, so if you go to the same server and if you join the voice channels, under voice channels, then you'll be able to you'll be able to use your sound here. So the whatever sound that you have just added, so if you go to the settings, you can add this, you can select these and add this sound and use it on your server here. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.